A blessed day, everyone. Welcome once again to our new lesson. Today, I'm going to discuss about the introduction to operating system. Let us first define what is an operating system. An operating system is system software that manages computer hardware, software resources, and provides common services for computer programs. And here are the popular operating systems. First is the Windows operating system. Next is the Linux operating system. Next is the Mac operating system. And last is the Android operating system. Our computer won't run effectively without operating system or the OS. Operating system acts as the platform for our computer. And the operating system handles all the software applications inside the computer. Also, our operating system handles all the hardware resources inside our computer. There are 5 essential managers in OS. OS as our central or main controller, and our OS has memory manager, process manager, device manager, file manager, and last, the network manager. Now, let us know the function of the memory manager. Memory manager is responsible for managing the computer's primary memory. The memory management function keeps track of the status of each memory location, either allocated or free. We have here the memory space, and the memory could allocate the process P1, and if there's another process, it will be allocated by the free space, and another process P3 will be accommodated. And all the remaining free space will be declared as free memory allocation. Next, let us know the function of process manager. Process manager handles process job and execution, an integral part of any modern-day operating system. The OS must allocate resources to processes, enable processes to share and exchange information, protect the resources of each process from other processes, and enable synchronization among processes. Here, the CPU handles the scheduling of the processes, and now the process manager handles the management of all the processes inside the computer. Next, let us know the function of device manager. Device manager is a control panel applet in Microsoft Windows operating systems. It allows users to view and control the hardware attached to the computer. The device manager monitors different hardware resources like processor, memory, hard disk, mouse, webcam, speakers, and keyboard, and all other hardware resources inside the computer are being monitored and handled by this device manager. Next, let us know the function of File Manager. A file manager is a software program that helps a user manage all the files on their computer. For example, all file managers allow the user to view, edit, copy, and delete the files on their computer storage devices. The file manager handles different files like GIF file, XLS file, the doc file, and PSD file, and all other files inside the computer. And the file manager gives permission and restriction for the access of all the files. The file manager gives a read-only permission for access, or a read and write access, or a read, write, and execute access for security purposes. Next, let us know the function of Network Manager. Network Manager provides the sharing of hardware and software resources while controlling the user access to private resources on the network. Network Manager handles and connects all devices that is within its network, like laptop, desktop, iPad, and printers, and all other network devices. Now, computer access and usage were made easy because of the operating system installed inside the computer. So without the operating system, all computing devices will be of no use in this generation. I hope through this lesson you're able to learn the basics of an operating system. That concludes our lesson today. Thank you so much and see you in our next lesson.